The Ulefone Armor 26 Ultra versus the AGM X6. Which of these two 5G rugged phones is equipped with the best specs? In this video, we're going to find out. The AGM X6 is a new 5G rugged phone. I'll upload a video discussing its top details, its unique selling points, because I won't be able to mention them in this video. Anyway, let's quickly compare the specs of both 5G rugged phones. So there we go, guys, the AGM X6 versus the Ulefone Armor 26 Ultra. Which of the two devices is best in your opinion? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.